welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is India, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If it's not, welcome back, and thank you so much for joining us on this natural hair ride. All right, so y'all, it's summertime. It's currently 87 degrees outside, and with the humidity, it feels like it's 97 degrees outside. Don't ask me why I decided to not even blow out my hair, but I'm also gonna flat iron it and put some curls in it. One thing that you guys will learn about me is I do not follow all the natural hair rules. Do what works for you. Do what's best for you. I mean, some things are gonna work for you, some things are not gonna work for you. I'm not afraid to straighten my hair in the summertime because I know how to keep up with it. I know how to use my flexi rod, so I'm not continuing to put heat on it and all those things. So yeah, I'm gonna flat iron my hair today. I'm not gonna do like a bone straight flat iron because I really wanna do some wand curls. So, but I don't want my hair to be this big because it's gonna be super hot. And y'all, my hair has grown, okay? Like, it's grown, and I'm excited about that. It's a lot of hair, but I'm excited about it because I've been trying to get it to grow, so it looks like it is doing just that. So I'm popping in so I can pretty much show you guys the process. I don't think I've done a wand curl tutorial on my channel. This is not even how I always do my wand curls. Usually I will go ahead and wand curl on my blow dried hair. If you're interested on my blow dry routine, I'll link the video. I already did a full video on my blow dry routine, so you can watch that. This, I'm kind of doing a little bit something different today. So, you know, y'all know I like to try stuff. So we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how it works, how it looks, and how long it lasts. So I finished flat ironing, and I only showed you guys a few clips of me flat ironing my hair. I have a full video of my flat iron routine, and I will link that for you in a card as well. But like I said, I only did one pass on this to get my hair just to kind of bring it down some, because when it's blow dry, it's really like big and poofy. So I just wanted to do one pass of the flat iron to just kind of calm it down a bit. So now I am going to get ready to use my curl wand, and I'm going to throw some curls in it. So this is what it looks like. I know I never show y'all the back. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to style it. I think I wanna do a half up, half down since it is hot outside. I can get some of it out of my face, and we'll see how this all comes together. right, y'all, I had to get my edges together. This is what they're looking like. I can't do my edges on camera, y'all. I'm not an edge layer slayer, okay? I just do a little something where I can and move on. I'm using my Conair curling wand for this, and I'm going to put it on, because my hair is already straightened, I'm gonna put it on 360, and we are going to let that heat up. While that's heating up, I'm about to put my scarf on so my edges can stay down. Alright, y'all, so I am finished, okay? This process was a process, but I like it. So it gave me a nice beachy wave, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Let me show you guys the back. So super cute. I put the waves in here with the wand because this is going to help me be able to keep it up. Like I said, I'll probably use my flexi rods to keep this up over the next couple of days. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.